What'd you guys get?
We got diapers.
Diapers! Yay for diapers! My favorite. Evan, if you beat him, Evan, you catch up with your brother. Evan, don't let your brother.
Oh, wait.
Oh,
No, Evan, Evan, wait. Call, go, hurry. My camera's gonna run out. All right, go.
Colin, quick!
Colin, hurry up.
Why? I can't stop, Evan. Oh, nine. Ready? Haha, you got a bonbon. Ready? Yeah. Kmart.
Yep, it's from Kmart. What are they talking about? Crazy kids. This is from Stevie and
Oh
Gronk.
my gosh! Oh my god!
It's from Stevie and Gronk.
Are they coming home? Oh, this is an awesome Christmas. Oh,
What do you say?